Hello, I'm Shemaine from Natural Baby Shower. Today we'd like to go into more detail with you about the CYBEX Cloud T. Let's get started. The Cloud T weighs 4.5 kg and will take a maximum weight of 13 kg. It can be used from birth up to 24 months, so that would be 45 centimeters up to 87 centimeters. It has a UPF 50 plus sun canopy and 12 position headrest, which automatically adjusts once the seat is in the recline position. It has breathable fabric and a 3-point harness, which has a 1-pull system. The Cloud T has an ADAC rating of 1.7. On the side is our LSP system. We pull this out on the side of the door and this reduces impact forces by up to 25%. There are 2 compatible bases you can use with the Cloud T. One is the base T that I have here, and the other is the base Z2. With the base, you have 3 window indicators, which will be green if the car seat has been fitted correctly, or red if we need to look at it again and redo. We have an adjustable load leg here, which will fit in the footwell of the car. Very easy to adjust. The base has a 360 swivel motion. You can see once you have it in your newborn mode, it would only let you go a quarter of the way, so just your soft lock. But once your baby is old enough to be forward facing, you can inform the base by flicking the switch up, and then you'll be able to do your complete 360 swivel, which can allow you to forward face and rear face. T is compatible with a variety of push chairs. All you will need are the correct adapters. These are already on the chassis and they click directly on. So here it is on a multi-terrain pushchair. Again, just add the correct adapter and fit it directly onto your chassis. And your car seat will fit directly on the top. And here it is on a compact stroller. So we hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like some more information, you can log on to our website or book a virtual appointment with us. Alternatively, you can visit us in our store. We'll see you again soon. Bye.